Hello students, in this video we will learn about the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem means that it has based on right angle triangle, right? The formula for the Pythagoras theorem is that they are like the square of the hypotenuse, right, equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. It means like the hypotenuse side is the longest sides in the right angle triangle, or you can say that hypotenuse is the sum of the other two sides, right? I'm talking about the base sides and the adjacent sides with the base one. So the formula is mentioned here that a square plus b square is equals to c square. C square, if I draw a diagram here, so this one is a right angle triangle. This is as you know that this is a special type of a triangle and it's called a right angle triangle. This part is a right angle triangle, right? And this side is like c square, or you can say hypotenuse. This one is b square and the other one is a square, right? So c square is the hypotenuse, a square, a side is your perpendicular or 90 degree you can say, and the base is b. Okay, so the question is like that you need to find out the one side among these three, right? Two of these sides are giving to you, and then the third side you need to find out by the help of this formula. The question, listen the question very carefully, like in triangle ABC, so the name of the triangle, so I'm writing the question here. In triangle ABC, right, the name of the triangle is ABC. AC equals 5 centimeter, AC equals 5 centimeter, BC equals 12 centimeter, and angle C equals 90 degree, right? So what you need to do, you need to calculate the length of AB. In this question, the diagram is given to you, right? So, but suppose if the diagram is not there and only the question is given to you, so how are you going to identify that which vertex is your A, which one is your B, or which one is your vertex? It means like this angles, right? When the both lines meet at a point, it's formed an angle, na? So this is called a vertex here. This is basically the vertex, right? So here, please read the question. It says angle C is 90 degree, right? Angle C is 90 degree. So angle C, so where is in this picture, where is a 90 degree? Here it's a 90 degree, right? Let me take another dark. Okay, this one is 90 degree and it says angle C. So I pointed at angle C. Okay, now one of the side, right? It's supposed to be A or B, right? One of the sides, A or B. Okay, if this is C, this one is C here. So I'm saying that this is A, or this one is B. So AC is here 5 centimeter. You can write down B instead of B A and A instead of A is B. The reason is that both the sides supposed to be written side by side. See, the formula is written side by side, right? If one is a base and the another one is a base and another one is just adjacent to that side is perpendicular. So you can write down any one of them. It doesn't matter, okay? So the answer like both is going to be plus, and both is like hypotenuse is the sum of these two sides, right? So do not get confused here. Okay. So AC is 5 centimeter. I have mentioned here. Now BC is 12 centimeter. Here this side is 12 centimeters. So what we need to find out, calculate the length of AB. This one you need to find. It means that you need to find out the hypotenuse. So what we need to do, we need to substitute the values in the formula, right? The formula, because we need to find out the hypotenuse. So the c square I'm writing here, which is hypotenuse, right? And like base is BC, right? Base is BC, the whole square, right? Plus the perpendicular is AC the whole square. Do not forget to put square here. Okay. So see that you need to find out. So what is the name of hypotenuse here? It's AB, right? The formula is written C square. Na? So C means like AB, right? This is the longest side. See, this one is the longest side here in the diagram. Okay. So this is C square, right? So the B square, what is the BC square values giving to you, which is 12 centimeter? And AC in the diagram is giving to you like 5 centimeter, right? So 12 into 12, it gives you 144 plus 5 5s are 25. So when we add it, it gives you 169, right? Yeah, 169. Now, but here 169 is written in the form of AB square. So you need only AB. You need to remove this square here. So what I'm going to do when you remove the square? What is the opposite of square? The opposite of square is square root, right? So here that you need to take the square root on both the sides, right? So when we'll take square root, the square and the square root will cancel because the radicand value is half. And what is the square root of 169? The square root of 169 is 13. The calculators are allowed in P2 paper. So the 13 centimeter is the answer. So the length of, the length of hypotenuse, which is AB, equals to 13 centimeter. Okay, students, I hope that you people understood about the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.